महेश्वरः गुरुसाक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। सर्वेभिः सुखिनः सन्तु सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखमाप्नुयात्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम तत्सत् हरि ओम तत्सत् हरि ओम तत्सत्। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः ओम तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ओम महादेवी विद्महे दुर्गायै धीमहि तन्नो देवी प्रचोदयात्। ओम ऐं ह्रीं श्री भगवती जय दुर्गाय नमः। ओम उत्तिष्ठ पुरुषिकी स्वपेशी भयं संपस्थितं यदि शक्यम अशक्य हूँ दुर्गे भगवती समय स्वाहा। ओम अम्बे अम्बिके अम्बालिके नमानयति कश्चन सस्वस्थः स्वकः सुभद्रिकं काम्पल्यावासिनीम्। ओम त्र्यम्बकं जजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव वन्दनात् मृत्युर्मोक्षमामृतात्। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। नमस्ते, प्रणाम टू ऑल ऑफ यू। इदं शरीरं कौन्तेय क्षेत्रमित्यभिधीयते। इदं जो वेति स प्राहुः क्षेत्रज्ञ इति तद्वितः। This body is God's abode. He who knows this body knows God. Before doing our session, let's do a small lyric. मैं बूढ़ा बन जाता, आपकी ये नजरिया न होता, आपकी ये नजरिया न होता, आंखें मेरा पानी में भर जाता। आपकी ये नजरिया न होता, आंखों मेरे पानी में भर जाता। मैं यह उम्मीद छोड़ देता, शायद मैं बूढ़ा बन जाता। आपकी ये संकल्प न होता, आपकी ये संकल्प न होता, मैं दिशाहीन हो जाता। चल के भी मैं दूरी न जा सकता, शायद मैं बूढ़ा बन जाता। आपकी ये प्यार न होता, ईश्वर की एहसास मन में न होता। आपकी ये प्यार न होता, ईश्वर की एहसास मन में न होता। मैं कोई कयामत में खो जाता, शायद मैं बूढ़ा बन जाता। आपकी सुरीली आवाज न होता, आपकी सुरीली आवाज न होता, मैं कुछ सुन नहीं पाता, मैं कुछ सुन नहीं पाता। कहीं कहीं मैं बिखर जाता था, कहीं कहीं मैं बिखर जाता था, शायद मैं बूढ़ा हो जाता। आपकी ये इरादा न होता, आपकी ये इरादा न होता, मैं कितना कमज़ोर हो जाता, मैं कितना कमज़ोर हो जाता। आपकी ये गुलाबी न होता, आपकी ये गुलाबी न होता, शायद मैं बूढ़ा बन जाता। एकाग्रित आप धूम न मचाते, एकाग्रित आप धुन न मचाते, शक्ति का उपासना भूल जाते, शक्ति का उपासना भूल जाते। मेरा हिम्मत कब से टूट जाता, मेरा हिम्मत कब से टूट जाता, शायद मैं बूढ़ा बन जाता। मधुरता का ये गुंजन न होता, मधुरता का ये गुंजन न होता, वनलता में कलियां न खिलता, चिड़िया गाने का बंद कर देता, चिड़िया गाने का बंद कर देता, शायद मैं बूढ़ा बन जाता। हौसला आपकी बुलंद न होता, हौसला आपकी बुलंद न होता, रंगीन दुनिया रंगहीन हो जाता, रंगीन दुनिया रंगहीन हो जाता। बारिश में मयूर न नाचता, तब शायद मैं बूढ़ा बन जाता। इतनी सुंदरता आप में न होता, इतनी सुंदरता आप में न होता, इंतजार की ये झुमका न होता, इंतजार की ये झुमका न होता। टूटी हुई शायरी कौन सुलझाता, टूटी हुई शायरी कौन सुलझाता, शायद मैं बूढ़ा बन जाता। ओके, टुडेस topic is on about memory. Memory, you do increase your memory by doing Sirsasana and Bhramari. Bhramari, you know, this is Bhramari. Sirsasana also increases your memory. One meditation told by Mr. Praveen Kapadia, Dr. Praveen Kapadia, also can enhance memory. Food also, suppose you cannot take good food, delicious, nutritious food, then also slowly you become weak and your memory decreases. Chakra, remembering your chakra, really memory is a function of all your body functioning. If all your body functions properly, then your memory is okay. But if your body doesn't function, all the parts don't work together, they are not integrated, they don't work helping each other in a group or in a combination, then definitely your memory is decreased. So, food is an important, a very important thing to increase your memory. Now, Dr. Praveen Kapadia, what he told, you have to remember every day, you have to practice remembering things, most important things, or maybe some less important things. If that practice you continue, you close your eyes and you just memorize what happened to you in the near future, in the past. So your that memory capacity increases. Really, willingly or unwillingly, we forget the functions of our body parts, the memory part or the function of the mind. So that what happens, we slowly we neglect that part, that function of our body. We neglect the important function of memorizing things. Once you stop practicing something, then definitely that function decreases in your mind. 2 days or 3 days before, my food may not have been proper, but I felt as if I cannot remember anything just because the food was so less and I became so weak. I thought I became old. So, but when I concentrated, different meditation methods are there as we are discussing. So when I concentrated, slowly I got the memory. Okay. So memory, Sirsasana also will do. You know already Sirsasana. After doing Sirsasana, we do Plavini. for Kala Jaya means winning the death, untimely death. That means we all have to die one day or other. But completing our term, 80 to 90 years of age, is a big question right now, because the food, the lifestyle we are doing, that puts a lot of question. One Param Pujaniya Haughty Yogi Nikam Guruji told one sloka, Khechri Mudra, Nacha Jara Vyadhi Tasya नच क्षुधा तृष्टान्तस्य नच जरा व्याधि भय नच मृत्यु भय तस्य जो बेढ़ी मुद्रा खेचरी. Mudra खेचरी मुद्रा is a process of somersaulting your tongue inside your mouth as much as possible, so that the saliva is compared with nectar. That means which when you consume that, your life is increased. That food and water related things and disease related things or sudden death like things are removed. That is one for just eradicating the death, fear of death, untimely death. So, to stop untimely death, you should be having two things. I will tell knowledge. Guru gives you knowledge, spiritual knowledge or God, through God. Now, what is spiritual science? When you go into spiritual science, then we get knowledge about the alternative things available to us. I will tell, one person was locked into a room, death room. So he was having relation with God. God came to him and told, you see, there are many keys and you use one key and get out of this room. Now the person never practiced spiritual science, so that he doesn't have knowledge about which key is useful to unlock the door. That's how, if he has knowledge, if he has the knowledge, then he can unlock the door and he can get out. Okay. So spiritual science or the relation with God through Guru is the knowledge. It gives the knowledge so that you can avoid the danger of losing your life. You can get many examples in Puran also. Second, confidence. You must first is spiritual knowledge, relation with God, and second is you must get confidence. So to get confidence, you have to do sadhana. Like Arjun did a lot of sadhana in guidance of God Krishna. Okay, so pranayam is one thing by which your life energy is enhanced. Pranayam we do शीतकारी और शीतली प्राणायाम. Always pranayam is done with bandh system. Chant a mantra. Om Venkateswaraya Namaha. Om Venkatesaya Namaha. Om Venkatesaya Namaha. Om Venkatesaya Namaha. Om Venkatesaya Namaha. Slow, long and complete breath out. Second round. Shitali pranayam. Breathing through tongue. The proportion of पूरक, अंतकुंभक, रेचक और बाह्य कुंभक. Inhalation hold, exhalation and exhalation hold is 1:2:2:1. Suppose you inhale for 5 seconds, you have to hold it for 10 seconds. You have to release the breathing for 10 seconds, and again in the condition of exhalation you have to stay for 5 seconds. So 30 seconds. So your life is enhanced. This continuous process, there are 9 pranayams as I am telling, practicing. Anuloma, Viloma, Bhastrika, Shitali, Shitkari, Ujjayi, Plavini, Murcha pranayam, Bhramari pranayam and Brahma Gayatri pranayam. Like these 9 pranayams I practice. So now law of plays an important part in keeping you alive. Whether your wife, whether your son, whether your father, whether your brother, whether the people around you love you or not, that matters. In Puranas, in epics, Savitri Satyavan story is there. Satyavan was the husband and Savitri was the wife. So Satyavan was going to die, and the king of death came to imprison that soul and take with him. Savitri prayed the king of death, don't kill my husband. I am young and he is young. So if you kill him, if you take him away, then I will be alone and I will be into a lot of risk, a lot of trouble. But king of death told that I cannot stop killing somebody because it is all destined by God, the destiny, the nature. So once he has reached that age, then I am under the duty bound to take him away. Then King of Death told that you ask me other things, other favors. I may offer you other favors, but not his life. Then Savitri was a very wise woman. She told that you give me son, children, you give me children, so that I can live happily without my husband. Then King of Death told that yes, this favor I can give. You are offered, you are granted with this favor. Then Savitri told that you know I am an Indian woman and I cannot marry another person. I cannot keep relation with another husband, another person. That is not allowed in our religion. So how can I produce children? How can I give children without my husband? If my husband is dead, then how can I give you children? Then King of Death knew that this is a very clever trick played by Savitri, and he gave the soul back. He made Satyavan alive. So love plays an important part in your life. If people hate you around, if people don't like you around, then your life may reduce. Okay, we will do some postures also. You know, Pranajaya. I have already told about Pranajaya. Apanajaya. Om, 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 ఓం 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 ఓం
సప్తగిరులపై శ్రీనివాసునికి ప్రతినిత్యం జరిగే సుమనోహరమైన సేవ సహస్ర దీపాలంకరణ సేవ. సహస్ర దీపాలంకరణ సేవ ప్రతిరోజు సాయంత్రం 4:50 తిరుమల నుంచి ప్రత్యక్ష ప్రసారం ఈ శ్రీ వెంకటేశ్వర భక్తి ఛానల్లో వీక్షించండి. సహస్ర దీపాలంకరణ సేవ పవర్డ్ బై